Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this really pretty Easter wreath using the Cruffle method. So if you'd like to see how I do this, then please keep watching. I will be using a 14-inch Dollar Tree wreath ring. The 14-inch Dollar Tree wreath ring has 6 sections. By section, I mean from one weld seam to the next weld seam is one section. To wire the wreath ring, I am going to be taking pipe cleaners. So for the first pipe cleaner, I'm going to be wiring the 2 inner rings together, placing the pipe cleaner in the middle and giving it a twist to secure. Next, I'm going to take another pipe cleaner and I'm going to go from the left weld seam over about 1.5 inches, wiring the 2 outer rings together. Next, I'm going to go over to the right weld seam and I'm going to go over 1.5 inches, wiring the 2 outer rings together. I will do this to each of the sections, giving me a total of 18 pipe cleaners, 6 on the inside and 12 on the outside. Here's how it should look with all of the pipe cleaners added. I will be using this Deco Mesh from Hobby Lobby. It is 10 inches by 10 yards, and I will be cutting 18 pieces to 25 inches long. I will be making Cruffles. To make a Cruffle, I'm going to take the mesh, unroll it, put something on the end to hold it down. Then I'm going to go to the bottom of the mesh, and I'm going to fold over the end. I'm just going to fold it over one time. Then I'm going to roll it 5 times. I'm going to take a clip just to hold that in place. Then I'm going to go to the other end and do the same thing. I'm going to fold the end over. Then I'm going to roll it 5 times. Once I get it rolled, I'm going to go in the middle of that roll, and with my thumbs, I'm going to push up on the mesh, walking my fingers up the mesh, pulling it toward me. Once I get to the end, I'm just going to gather that up, remove the clip. This will give you a Cruffle. Now I'm going to add the Cruffles to the wreath. So I'm going to start with one of the inner pipe cleaners. I'm going to spread the pipe cleaner legs apart. Then I'm going to place my Cruffle vertically in the center of the pipe cleaner, with one finished edge going toward the inside of the wreath and the other finished edge going toward the outside of the wreath. So I'm going to place it in the middle of that pipe cleaner and give the pipe cleaner several twists. And since I'm not going to be needing the inner pipe cleaners, I'm going to go ahead and cut it off. I'm only removing the 6 inner pipe cleaners once I have the Cruffles added. Next, I'm going to add a Cruffle to the outer pipe cleaners. I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the inner Cruffle by placing the Cruffle in the middle of the pipe cleaner going vertically. And I will be securing it with a couple of twists. I will not be removing the pipe cleaner from the outer Cruffles. I will continue to add Cruffles to each of the pipe cleaners, only removing the 6 inner pipe cleaners. And here's how it should look after all of the Cruffles have been added. I will be using this 2.5-inch wide wired ribbon from Dollar Tree to make ribbon tails. I will be cutting 12 pieces to 14 inches long, dovetailing the ends. To make the ribbon tails, I'm going to take the ribbon, fold it in half to find the middle. Next, I'm going to gather the material down that seam. This forms the ribbon tail. Next, I'm going to add the ribbon tails. I'm going to locate a pipe cleaner. I'm going to place the ribbon tail going vertically in the middle of the pipe cleaner and securing the pipe cleaner with a couple of twists. Then I'm going to take the 2 ribbon tails and I'm going to bring them downward, laying them side by side. I will add ribbon tails to each of the remaining pipe cleaners. Here's how it looks with all of the ribbon tails added. I will be using this sign from Dollar Tree. I will be hot gluing 2 pipe cleaners to the back of the sign to attach it to the wreath. Next, I'm going to be attaching the sign by figuring out where I want it to go, then feeding the pipe cleaner legs through the mesh to the back of the wreath and then securing it to the frame. Once the sign is in place, I'm going to go around and fluff the Cruffles around the sign. Next, I'm going to be adding a bow. I did not film me making the bow, but I do have a bow tutorial linked down in the description box below if you'd like to go check it out. I'm attaching the bow by feeding the pipe cleaners through the mesh to the back of the wreath and then securing it to the frame. And here's how it's looking with the bow added. Next, I'm going to be using some of the vase filler. These are just the glitter foam balls from Dollar Tree. Before I start to add those, I am going to be removing about 1 inch or so of the pipe cleaner legs because they're just a little bit too long. Then I'm going to take one of the foam balls, add a little bit of hot glue. Then I'm going to slide the foam ball down the leg of the pipe cleaner. I will be adding foam balls to each of the pipe cleaner legs. And here's how the wreath turned out. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!